Hello everyone, my name is Panchami. Currently, I'm back with another topic, and the name is K-means clustering. The unveiling the power of K-means clustering. K-means clustering is a powerful, unsupervised learning technique that automatically groups similar data points together. This presentation will explore the inner workings of the K-means algorithm, its application, and how it can be used to extract meaningful insights from your data. What is K-means clustering? It is an unsupervised learning algorithm. It is a powerful technique that automatically groups similar data points together without requiring predefined labels. Clustering algorithm. It partitions the data set into distinct clusters where data points within a cluster are more similar to each other than these of other clusters. Steps of K-means clustering algorithm. Choose a number of clusters K. The second step is randomly initialize the cluster centroids. Third step, assign each data point to the K nearest cluster centroid. Fourth step, recalculate the cluster centroid based on the assigned data points. Fifth step, repeat steps 3 and 4 until convergence. Defining the number of clusters. So there are three methods. The first is elbow method. Plot the sum of square errors for different value of k. The elbow point indicates the optimal number of clusters. So log score. Measure how well the data point is assigned to the cluster. A higher score indicates the better cluster formation. Domain knowledge. Consider the context of your data and the natural groupings you might expect. Initialize cluster centroids. Initializing cluster centroids. Random initialization, select random data points as initial cluster centroids. It's simple but can lead into different results each time. K-means clusters. A smarter approach that chooses initial centroids strategically to avoid bad initializations. Assigning data points to clusters. Distance metric. Use a distance metric like equilibrium distance to calculate the similarity between data points and centroids. Nearest centroid. Assign each data point to the cluster whose centroid is closest to it. Updating cluster centroids. Calculate mean. Recalculate the cluster centroid by taking the average of all the data points assigned to the cluster. Update centroids. Replace the old centroid with the newly calculated mean value for the cluster. Convergence and stopping criteria. K-means continuous iterations, iterating through steps 3 and 4 until convergence. This occurs when the cluster assignments no longer change significantly between the iterations. You can set the threshold for the maximum number of iterations or a minimum change in cluster assignments to determine convergence. So that's all for the video. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video till the end. Thanks a lot.